I'm going to show you how you can deposit XRP on a Probit wallet. In this video, we are going to show step by step on how you can buy a XRP or repos on your Probit exchange. The first step, you have to search for your coin. Write XRP, which is repo. If you search this coin, you will see three options: deposit, withdraw, and a trade. Here. Deposit, withdraw, and a trade. If you see the balance is 0, so now in order to buy this coin, you need to click on deposit. This is the important note. Deposit will automatically be processed within one network configuration, but this address is only for repos or XRP. So this is a warning before deposit in this address. So all in all, you will see the address below and the destination tag. There are some places you can be asked about the tag. It's just like a password to the certain address. So all you need when you reach here, just copy the address of the repo. Just copy. After copy, now is the time to go to find the place where the people sell the repos. Now we need to go to Google and search for a place where we can buy a repo and deposit in Probit exchange by using this address. Now go on Google and search buy repo with a credit card. Buy repos with a credit card. If you scroll down, search for MoneyPay. Yes, or you can search for MoneyPay. This is online payment which is responsible for selling different cryptocurrencies or different coin online. So in this website, you can buy any kind of coin you want. So this is some instruction how you can buy a coin like here. So let's wait for it to open. As you see here is how you can buy a XRP with a credit card. All you need is just put your amount you want to buy here. Your amount should be not less than $30. Yes, for example, here is the $30. Your amount you want to buy should start from $30 and above. So, for example, I want to buy a $30. I want to spend $30 and get 47 XRP. Now I'm clicking continue. Add payment method. The payment method, because I'm already using this service for a long time, that's why you can see my data here. So now if you have a credit card, make sure you put here credit card number, put here expire date, and make sure you put here a security code from your card. Now after complete this, click continue, and the next window will be asking you to put the address of your repo you want to receive, the address of your exchange. Now you put your address to your exchange. I think we already copied the address from the repo or from the Probit exchange. Now click here, come with the address and put it in this website. After purchase the repo in this website, after few or 1 hour, you will receive your repo on your Probit exchange. This is how you can start buying repos on any exchange. Thank you. If you want a link, I'll put the link of the Probit. Now you can go and sign up if you have no account. Thank you.